DJI Neo 2 Smart Snaps. Palm control and mobile app control support multiple smart snaps. It is recommended to fly in an open, unobstructed space. Press the select button once to switch between shooting modes, such as selfie shot and drone. The current mode and parameters will be shown on the screen. Press and hold the select button to enter the parameter settings for the current mode. The flashing item is the currently selected parameter. Press the select button to adjust its value. Press and hold the select button to switch to other parameters. After completing all settings, press the takeoff button to exit parameter settings. Extend your arm, face the camera toward the subject, and keep it steady. Press the takeoff button once. The aircraft will announce the selected mode and start a countdown, and then take off automatically. You can cancel takeoff by pressing the takeoff button again before the countdown ends. During follow, the aircraft flies following you based on the preset direction, distance, and altitude automatically while recording. If the aircraft is connected to DJI Fly, you can also use the trace wheel to control the follow direction. There are multiple follow directions on the trace wheel. Tap or slide the trace wheel. The aircraft will then fly the designated route. After reaching the designated position, the aircraft will track the subject in the corresponding direction. When the aircraft is hovering, raise your palm towards the camera. Once the status indicator turns blue, you can control the aircraft with gestures. The aircraft will move in the direction your palm moves. Raise both hands, and the indicator blinks blue twice. Move your hands closer together or farther apart and then hold still to make the aircraft to fly forward or backward continuously. Make a fist or lower your arms, and the indicator's blue light will turn off. The aircraft will exit gesture control and hover in place. Then, the aircraft will follow the subject based on the adjusted direction and distance. To switch the follow subject, the new subject needs to raise a palm towards the camera. The status indicator will turn solid blue, indicating the switch is complete. Selfie shot supports individual and group shots. The aircraft will automatically adjust its position and composition, based on the selected shot size. The status indicator will blink white 3 times before taking a photo. When the shooting completes, the aircraft will fly back close to the takeoff point and hover. Extend your palm toward the aircraft. Make sure your palm is lower than the aircraft for optimal recognition. Keep your hand still. Make sure to fully extend your fingers to avoid touching the propellers. The aircraft will land on your palm.